Christmas. Let's give love a chance. Let us be considerate. Let us think of our neighbors. Kama uko na chakula umepika kwako, pakua kidogo, enda kwa askari kwa gate. Watu wengi wamfikiri, mpatie sturungi hata. Mpatie chakula. Many of us just stay, we don't think, what about that policeman? What about the watchman? What about the askari? What about my neighbor has nothing? Let's be considerate. I love you so much. I'm grateful. Ndugu yangu amesema hakunipigia. It's true. But we are here and I will serve all of you in Nairobi. I may not be perfect, but I must be genuine. And I will always carry you along as my people. Okwe uru yothurwa. One Kanyaka.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a happy 2023.
Merry Christmas and a happy New Year. Radio Ramoi, Karchun Jalo.